Welcome to my channel in our world. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna do one more requested video questions from flight mechanics. So first I will go to the first question. Which one of the following is a true with respect to Fugate mode of an aircraft? Frequency is directly proportional to the flight speed. Frequency is inversely proportional to the flight speed. Frequency is directly proportional to the square root of flight speed. Frequency is inversely proportional to the square root of flight speed. Now, I will come for the explanation. First, you remember what is meant by Fugate mode. Fugate mode, one of the longitudinal mode. Okay. Now, and it consists of a long period of frequency where you have to remember this formula. Omega means it's a natural frequency is equivalent to root over 2 g by u naught. U naught defines the flight speed and g refers to the acceleration due to gravity. So this explains frequency is inversely proportional to the flight speed. So the answer is B, and also you note down this thing, the time period of oscillation is proportional to the velocity. Sometimes or some other times they can ask this question, so you remember this formula T, that is time period equals to 2 pi by omega. So answer is B. Come to the next question. An aircraft in trim condition has a zero pitching moment at option A, its aerodynamic center, its center of gravity, 25% of its mean aerodynamic chord, and 50% of its wing root chord. Now explanation. So remember this diagram which is appearing in front of your screen. Here all the total weight or the gross weight acting vertically downwards. So whenever the trim condition or stability point of view, you have to focus that CG is an important thing on the CG where the pitching moment becomes zero at trim condition or equilibrium condition. This is a condition of an aircraft to maintain a static stability. What happens? That is, the moment coefficient at CG becomes zero at trim condition or an equilibrium condition. So our option is option B. Comes the next question. The pitching angle and the angle of attack for an fixed wing aircraft are equal during wings level constant altitude flight, unaccelerated climb, unaccelerated descent, and landing. Now see the explanation. See, remember this diagram. We are taking a flight path. It's called as a pitching angle. An angle of attack is different from the pitching angle. But in the question, what they have asked, when the pitching angle and the angle of attack is same, at what condition? So see that explanation, the pitching altitude and the angle of attack will be same or equal. The aircraft could only fly straight ahead at the same altitude. That means if this and this angle become same, so what will happen? Both will fly on the same altitude. So our option is option A. So I hope your doubt has been clarified. So if you have further inquiry, you can drop down to your mail with a question. I'm here to help you guys with my best knowledge. I can able to help you. So if you like my work, you can like, comment, subscribe to my channel. Bye. Have a nice day.